15 students, and we are here to discuss the importance of First, we're going to introduce ourselves one by one.
I'm Nilaw Odala.
Hi, I'm Jerwin Bami.
I'm Patrick Yukarig from 215.
I'm Giancarlo Bernardo.
My name is Luisa Nia Yuson, and I'm one of the members of this group.
What is backyard planting? Backyard planting like this is planting in your backyard with vegetables or anything.
Tanglad.
Tanglad like that, bawang,
Horseradish.
horseradish, planting palaya on their backyard. You can see the plant is growing up, and that plant will gonna have anong English ng ano? Bunga. Fruit? No, like vegetable that we can eat, sell, or we can plant again, so we can get more plants and money.
Why plant is important? Because plant produce oxygen that we need breathe so we can survive.
What is the importance of backyard planting?
Plants bring natural beauty to our living spaces. By creating texture and balance, a room can be transformed into an environment that comforts and welcomes. But just like Miss Universe, plants can do more than look pretty. They've been proven to reduce stress so well that one glance at a plant lowers your heart rate. They also help clean the air we breathe by absorbing toxins and acting as the oxygen factory. Plants simply make us feel better.
Plants help patients recovering from the surgery and ease from symptoms of Alzheimer's.
Plants help us relax and focus, leading to increased productivity, creativity, idea generation, and problem-solving capabilities. In fact, the presence of plants helps so much that has been shown to relieve the symptoms experienced by children with AD.
I got these plants right there. This is a horseradish, or in Tagalog, malunggay. This is a common or most plant that we see in the backyard. We don't have these plants on our backyard, but this plant has so many uses, like food, or you can sell this in the market. Sometimes you can create an food supplements, soaps, etiquette, and if you don't have money, you can eat this or just
Demo.
adding something food and
So that's the importance of backyard planting. Hope you enjoy watching and hope you learn some facts.
post.
Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye.